Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Rules for financial success. Number 1. Never underestimate the value of small savings. Tiny amounts may seem insignificant, but over time they build into something powerful. $1 saved today compounds into wealth tomorrow. Small savings are the seeds of your financial forest. Number 2. Always think twice before buying. Pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just a fleeting desire? Impulse buys are often silent money drains that leave your wallet empty and your heart regretful. Number 3. Make tracking your expenses a habit. Writing down where every penny goes gives you control. It shines a light on hidden leaks and helps you steer your money where it truly matters. Financial awareness is the first step to financial freedom. Number 4. Avoid spending money on things to impress others. Keeping up with someone else's lifestyle is a trap. Buy what makes you happy, not what makes you look good. Real wealth is silent, it doesn't need validation. Number 5. Do not ignore budgeting. A budget isn't a prison, it's your personal blueprint for financial success. It guides you, keeps you disciplined, and ensures you're building toward your goals, not someone else's. Number 6. Learn the art of negotiating. From salaries to buying a car, negotiation saves thousands over a lifetime. Don't be shy, confident negotiators build wealth by simply asking for better. Number 7. Learn the basics of investing wisely. Your money should work for you while you sleep. Stocks, mutual funds, real estate, understand them, start small, and watch your money grow. Number 8. Avoid falling for get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Slow and steady wealth is far more satisfying and safe than chasing scams promising overnight millions. Number 9. Make saving money a non-negotiable routine. Pay yourself first, every month, no matter what. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid. Over time, this builds a powerful safety net and future opportunities. Number 10. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income grows, keep your expenses steady. Many people earn more only to spend more, and end up broke at a higher level. Stay grounded. Number 11. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essentials, wants are pleasures. Both are fine, but recognizing the difference ensures your priorities don't sabotage your security. Number 12. Always have an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, job loss, medical bills, car repairs. A 3 to 6 month cushion gives you peace of mind and protects you from debt spirals. Number 13. Give every dollar a mission to grow and multiply. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose. Paying bills, investing, building dreams. Idle money loses value, strategic money compounds.